Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how a luxury snake leather jacket is made, step by step.
This one here needs closer inspection. Check the scales.
All right, I'll examine it now.
The skin must be perfectly cleaned and conditioned to ensure the leather is durable and soft. Each piece of the leather is meticulously crafted to ensure perfect alignment and shape for every jacket. Every jacket is inspected thoroughly before it leaves the factory to ensure premium quality.
Now you know exactly how a luxury snake leather jacket is made, from raw skin to high fashion.